Hey, welcome back to the Calibrated Concepts YouTube channel. Today, I really am excited to talk to you about the ways you can sell your knowledge in Squarespace. So all of us as entrepreneurs have something that we know a lot more about than some of our entrepreneurial peers. We have our specialties and our know-hows, and we hear all the time how it's such a great idea to create a course or a membership or some sort of one-to-many model or digital product that you can put out there and sell in front of people to help you build your community, your audience, and also to make more money out of what you do best. So Squarespace over the last couple of years has been really working hard to create more ways for us to do that. Before, you pretty much only had an online store, and that could sell a few types of products, digital products, service products, but digital products meant a digital download. There wasn't really a way for you to sell courses or anything like that in a nice way. So now in 2024, there are some really good ways. You can use member sites, you can sell video collections, and you can sell courses, or you can bundle those up and do anything like that with them. So I'm going to walk you through what each of those is like, and you can let me know if you have any questions. So if you hit this plus sign here, let's start with member sites. Now, member sites think of the idea as a membership. So if you had a membership and you were selling, maybe you guys had co-working on Tuesdays and you had a pep talk on this day and you had some coaching on another day, or you had these digital downloads that people could access and other resources like that for people, this is a really good option for you to have a home base for that. Now, you can actually do pretty much anything with this. I have set them up for people to sell online summits. I have used them for people for courses to organize more comprehensive video libraries. So there's lots you can do with this. So and you'll see, you can nest any of those other types of content into one of these member sites. So the first thing you'll need to do, and I'm not going to go too deeply into any of these because I have other videos on most of them, but you can set up a pricing plan and you've got this homepage. And this homepage, they've got a really good template here for you to talk about all the stuff, like it's that landing page. They land in your membership, and what do they need to know? They need to know, all right, welcome. Here's all the different things you get in it, and here's what to do. Here's the upcoming events and what to do if you have any questions, right? Now, this is what they see when they're already inside the membership. You can set up a pricing plan, and that is you can't activate it until you do, and this is what they'll see when they try and opt in, right? So you can set it up as 1 or 2 installment of a fixed payment. You can set it up for free if you're taking payment somewhere else, or you can set it up as a monthly subscription option. You can add all the benefits in here. And this is what the block inside a different Squarespace page would look like. Super handy. Okay. The other thing is when you have lots of these types of digital products in Squarespace, these ways you're selling your knowledge, you can actually bundle them. And you can set up as many types of pricing plans, as Squarespace calls them. Here, you can set up as many of those pricing plans as you want. So if I were to, I'm just going to say that this is $15 a month. And what else does it want from me? Create that. And you can see that's just one version of it. So I could create as many of these as I wanted and add multiple digital products in here. So super duper handy. So people can buy, you will have, when you go to the digital product block in Squarespace, which is a bit of a mouthful, but I'll show you what I mean. So, all right, if you go to the digital product block and you want to sell this program, instead of using a typical button or something, you're going to use, under business, you can see there's one that says digital product. So there's a block there. And I can pick any pricing plan I've created in here. So maybe this is the one that's a bundle, and it will give all the information in here about that. I can also tweak the designs of it just a bit if I wanted to. So I could add a background oh no, you can add backgrounds. Anywho, you can toggle off which things are actually seen, right? So super handy. So that's in essence the members areas. And the thing about it is you can add anything you want to this. You can see you can add any type of page. You can add a blog, a store, you can add events, videos, courses. So these are the other two digital product types currently in Squarespace. And we're going to go through those in a moment, but you can add and sell any of them. In this, you can add any type of content into a members area that you want. And I have a whole video on that, so I will share it. All right, so the other types that you have are a video collection. And this is like, if they've given the example of yoga here, but I've seen tutorials about recipes and all sorts. So you in here, let's say yoga subscription. So in here, you can add all these videos, and then you have all the categories here, and you have all the videos, and you can customize lots about this page. So you can make these go down the side, you can turn off the dates, those kinds of things. And people can, just like the other, you can create a pricing plan and add that as a one-off or a subscription. And so that's another really good way to sell your knowledge. Under each of these videos, and this is new, but under each of these videos, you have the opportunity to add a bit of a description and those kinds of things, and you can toggle back and forth between them. So for previous clients who've used these inside their course of information and maybe a link to a Google quiz or anything like that, so it can be used in a lot of ways. And the final thing that you can do is, and this doesn't include scheduling and things, but under digital products, you can create a course. And so this is a really cool way. If you have a fairly simple course, you can add it to Squarespace. So let's go with course 2 here. And we'll just leave it named course 2. And again, you can add this pricing plan, and I can create a pricing plan now that bundles all of them together, and I could pay. So I could have the regular pricing plan for just these videos. I have the one, or for just this course, I could add a pricing plan that includes the member site, the videos, and the course. I could create a pricing plan that does a combination of those things. So again, get really creative with how you're going to serve your community. These ones have a course overview. These can be seen pretty much from the beginning, like when you first land in. And you can also get a course preview for these, which allows people to get a little bit of a snippet of So this allows people to be able to say which things they've done before they join. Hit continue course. It'll take them to where they've left off. So I've just marked the first 2 done, so it'll take me to the next one. In here, you can add any content you want. Again, so the first video, you can add any content you want. It sort of starts you off with a video natively, and then you can add any content you want below. So anything you can do on any other Squarespace page, you can do in here. So I'm not going to get too much into it because I have a video on this as well, but you can add a chapter, you can add new lessons. The new lessons, you get the ability to choose your thumbnail, choose the title, add the excerpt, customize the URL if you want. So we're just going to go test here. And under that, you then can upload your video, add in any content you want below, and create a full course that way. So I know that was a whirlwind tour, but I just really wanted to give you an idea of the types of things you can do. I'll link in my videos about member sites, about courses, and those kinds of things as well. But just know that the 3 main ways that you can sell your knowledge in Squarespace are going to be through member sites, which you can sell any type of thing you want because you can add any type of page at all underneath here. You can even link to external pages too, so you can do anything. Or you can sell video collections. You can add to those over time. Or you can sell courses, which start with videos, but you can add a lot more information in with those videos. So, and people can track things. So, which one are you going to use? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, comment. It makes a big difference.